Hello, in today's video I'm going to be getting ready because I'm going to go and spend the weekend in the East End of Montreal. We just got our first snowstorm, yay! But I'm going to be trying on some new Merit stuff, but first I need to go wash my face, and I'm going to be using my lunch break to get ready for the weekend. While I wait for my skincare to sink in just a wee bit before I start my makeup, I'm going to pick out my clothes for the weekend, which is not going to be much because it's winter. It's so dark in here that I had to turn on the light and bump up the ISO to what the hell am I gonna wear? I've got to undust my drawer handles. In today's video, I'm using Merit Cosmetics to get ready. I am a huge fan. They have vegan and cruelty-free makeup. I thoroughly enjoy their products for a more minimal look all year round. And unfortunately, this Merit La Fête Édition set sold out really quickly, but some of these products are sold individually. You can check out my affiliate link in the description box below. This is not a sponsored video, but I would earn commission if you use the link to buy anything. And you can check out the cards and the description for more information about their makeup. Again, it's uncomplicated, low-key, relevant all year round, and I love an understated red lip look, especially for the holidays. You had to see how huge that place was. Like, there's so much food at TNT. And then the avocado was $1.69. The bok choy was like, I don't know, $1.59. $2 for cilantro. $3.33 for the shiitake. I got different wontons for us to try in the big soup that I'm gonna make. Because we're not feeling too great. The total was $56.62.
Oh wow.
They're huge.
Son grandes.
No, I don't know how I feel about grocery sushi, honestly. This time I have to put it in the fridge. So, I'm gonna grab one of these. Take my cilantro and wrap it like that. In a little bag. Put it in here. On the table. Merry Christmas! Today's the 25th, and as of last night, I lost my taste buds. Mom and I both have COVID. We had to stay home and cancel all of our Christmas plans, and I'm gonna make banana waffles because it's easy and whatever. I won't really be able to taste them. The saddest part is making coffee and not being able to smell it at all. Holy moly. There's 2 ripe bananas in it, and normally I make a cup and a half, and I should have just did a banana and a half or just 1 banana, but I mean, it is what it is.
Can you taste the banana?
You just have a like gooey texture.
I'm gonna make a nice lemonade. No le vas a poner un montón, pero la vas a batir y la vas a batir, se deshace completamente, pero no pica para nada.
Oh, okay.
Y le echas un poquito de azúcar y eso es todo.
I see.
Y lo vas a colar, eso es todo lo que haces.
Ah.
Hay que colarlo.
Oh. Colar. You know, I noticed with the clip earlier I had sleep in my eye. How disgusting. I'm gonna try this now.
How is it?
It's good actually, it's not too strong.
No, I've had it before.
Oh.
I always make it for you like that.
Oh yeah. Tastes like margarita without alcohol.
Yeah, I love it. It's really good.
Later, we're going to have the same soup again! Yeah! Oh yeah. Does anyone else try to put the kitchen to bed every night? I still have a couple of stragglers, but it's not terrible. We have 2 ripe avocados. Do you want to eat these today? We have to eat them today. So we have to fix the living room, I think. I've kept these dry flowers that my friend gave me, and I have to clean some of them out because some of them don't look good dry. And gosh. Oh, it's so cute. You know when you like start something and then you're like, I have to continue. No. My gosh, there's still so much to do.
2 hours later.
Here is how it's looking so far. My mom has a lot of things that she's too tired to arrange right now. You can't force it, right? So we just moved the furniture a bit. The other carpet, which is standing right there, to kind of like sort this space out. Oh my gosh, there's still so much work to do though, because there's just a lot of clutter. With the amount of PR that I used to receive and the amount of shopping we used to do in the 2010s, things just accumulated and then we just never dealt with it. And now that my mom is not really in the best capacity to go through everything, I'm having to go through everything slowly, bit by bit. I should probably take these off now. Looks like they're dry. I'm trying my best to make the space that I have be as lovely as it is. Even though I'm working more now and I don't have any more debt, I feel like we see so much lifestyle creep on social media. Tons of people are acting like they have more than they have, or they're spending more than they have. And I think it's just not the greatest idea in this economy, and after all the things that happened, the pandemic, it just goes to show that material possessions, they don't make you feel safe. If that means staying somewhere that I don't love for longer, then so be it.